Again, I would like to welcome in this program of SAP. SAP means Students Awareness Program. For what purpose such type of program is conducted? For MCQ examination purpose. You should have to know in detail about the MCQ examination. Not a single point about the confusion should not be there. Okay, that's why there should be clarity in your mind about such type of examination. Okay, now today we are going to understand the next types of the questions. Okay, how such type of questions can be prepared, how such type of questions can be asked, and how you have to select the proper alternative. All such things we have to consider here carefully. The first question is given here for your practice purpose, that is the manager who takes care of investments. The manager who takes care of investment is called dash dash. First, financial manager. Second, production manager. Third, portfolio manager. And the last, marketing manager. Which manager is called the caretaker of the investment? Definitely your answer will be portfolio manager. Okay, then the first step in portfolio manager is the first step in portfolio management is dash dash. First, evaluation. Second, construction. Third, review. And the last, revision. What is the correct answer? The first step in portfolio management is construction. What is it? Construction. That's why that is the correct answer. Then third question is there. The critical part of the investment process is dash dash. Try to understand. The critical part of the investment process is dash dash. First, review. Second, construction. Third, evaluation. And the last, analysis. What is the critical part of the investment process? Review is the critical part. Don't forget. What is the critical part? Review. That's why review is the critical part of the investment process. That's why your alternative A is the correct alternative. Then next question is there. Financial inclusion aims at providing services. Financial inclusion aims at providing services to dash dash. Rich people, middle class people, poor people, none. It means that financial inclusion aims at providing services to whom? Financial inclusion that is closely related with poor people, don't forget at all. That's why your correct alternative will be poor people. Okay, C, alternative C is the correct alternative. Then next question is there. The main objective of financial inclusion is dash dash. The main objective of financial inclusion is dash dash. A, access to everyone. B, access to privileged. C, at a discount. And the last, at profit. That's why, what is the correct alternative? The main objective of financial inclusion is very simple meaning of this statement. The main objective of financial inclusion is access to everyone. This is the main objective. That's why, what is the correct alternative? A, access to everyone. This is the correct alternative. Then next question is there. In financial inclusion, IDEA provides services at dash dash. In financial inclusion, IDEA provide services at dash dash. Number 1, extra cost. Number 2, reasonable cost. Number 3, at a discount. And the last, at profit. What is the correct alternative? Reasonable cost. What is the correct alternative? At a reasonable cost. It means that your statement will be, in financial inclusion, IDEA provide services at a reasonable cost. That's why your correct alternative is B, reasonable cost. Then next question we have to understand. At present, try to understand. At present, NGO groups promoting self-help groups. What is the statement? At present, NGO groups promoting self-help groups are more than dash dash. figure is expected here? 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 2,000. Your answer will be B, 5,000. It means that at present NGO groups promoting self-help groups are more than 5,000. What is the correct answer? More than 5,000. This is the correct alternative of this question. Then next question is there. The bank who gives boost to self-help group is dash dash. Which bank gives boost to the SHG? Central Bank, State Bank, RBI, NABARD. Which bank gives boost to the self-help groups? Definitely your answer will be Central Bank. What is the correct answer? Central Bank. It means that the bank who gives boost to self-help groups is Central Bank. Next question is there. The group of industrial sector depends upon the performance of dash dash. A group of industrial sector depends upon the performance of dash dash. National economy, corporate sector, banking sector, capital market. Which is the correct alternative? The group of industrial sector depends upon the performance of corporate sector. Of course, the B alternative is correct. Corporate sector. Then next question is there. Efficient management leads to better performance of the dash dash. Efficient management leads to better performance of the dash dash. 4 alternatives are given. First, capital market. Second, industrial sector. Third, corporate sector. And the last, economy. What is the correct alternative? Think about it. Efficient management leads to better performance of the corporate sector. That's why alternative C is the correct. Then next question is there. Bad marketing strategies. Listen carefully. Bad marketing strategies results in decline of dash dash. Bad marketing strategies result in decline of dash dash. Sales, customership, profit, goodwill. Your correct alternative will be definitely affect adversely. It means that bad marketing strategies results in decline of sales. That's why alternative A will be the correct. Then next question is there. Outdated technology. Listen carefully. Outdated technology has a direct impact on dash dash. Outdated technology has a direct impact on the dash dash. A, growth of the company. B, profitability of company. C, productivity of the company. And the D, survival of the company. It means that your correct alternative will be productivity of the company. Outdated technology has a direct impact on the productivity of the company. That's why your technology should be up to date. Your technology should be updated wherever and whenever is required. Okay, don't use such type of outdated technology. Okay, because it leads towards the impact of the product or productivity. Okay, that's why your alternative C is correct. Productivity of the company. Then next question is there. Corporate restructuring is a change under. Corporate restructuring is a change under dash dash course. A, regular. B, ordinary. C, extraordinary. And D, routine. Corporate restructuring is a change under extraordinary course. क्या बात है? Extraordinary. This will be the correct alternative. Then next question is there. Under divestiture form. Listen carefully. Are you listening? Under divestiture form, the consideration is to be paid in dash dash only. Equity shares, cash, bonds and debentures. Your correct answer will be cash only. Under divestiture form, the consideration is to be paid in cash only, not equity shares, not a bonds, not a debentures. Okay, that's why alternative B is the correct alternative. Then next question is there, under demergers, listen carefully, under demergers form, the consideration is paid in the form dash dash only. Under demergers form, the consideration is paid in the form dash dash only, in the form cash, equity shares, directorship and debentures. What is the correct answer? Equity share. It means that your statement will be like this. Under demergers form, the consideration is paid in the form equity shares only. Don't forget, equity shares. Under demergers form, the consideration is paid in the form of equity shares. Okay, not in cash, not in directorship, not in debentures. Okay. Then next probable question may be there. This is for your practical purpose, practice purpose. Okay. Under the curve out form, a company transfers its one or more divisions to its dash dash company. What is the statement? Under the curve out form, a company transfers its one or more divisions to its dash dash company. Alternative A, holding, B, group, C, subsidiary, and D, brother. What is the correct alternative? Subsidiary company. This will be the correct alternative. It means that alternative C is the correct, and how your statement will be? Under the curve out form, a company transfers its one or more divisions to its subsidiary company. Okay. Next question is there. A acquired company shall make official public announcement to take over within dash dash days after the finalization of the negotiation. What is the correct alternative? Alternatives are given 15, 10, 7 and 4. What is the correct alternative? 4 days only, not as 10, not as 7, not a 15. That's why your right alternative is D, 4. 4 days period is given. 4 days time is given. Okay. The next question is there. Indian depository receipt. Indian depository receipt is in a form of dash dash. Indian depository receipt is in a form of dash dash. 4 alternatives are given. First, check. Second, instrument. Third, draft. And the last, bill. What is the correct alternative? Not a check, not a bill, not a draft. What is remain last? Instrument. Okay. That's why your correct alternative B, instrument. Your statement will be Indian depository receipt is in a form of instrument. Next, international finance is a branch of dash dash. Listen carefully. International finance is a branch of dash dash. A, industrial economics, B, microeconomics, C, financial economics, D, labor economics. What is the correct alternative? International finance. International finance is a branch of which economics? Financial economics, because finance related with financial economics. International finance. Okay. That's why international finance is a branch of financial economics. Then GDR, Global Depository Receipt, that is a GDR. GDR is a certificate issued by, listen carefully, GDR is a certificate issued by dash dash. First alternative, bank. Second, SEBI. Third, RBI. And the last, company. What is the correct alternative? GDR is a certificate issued by bank. Okay, that's why alternative A, bank, is correct. Then next question is there. The hybrid security between bonds and stock. Listen carefully. The hybrid security between bond and stock is dash dash. ADR, GDR, FCB and FCCB. What is the correct alternative? Correct alternative is D, FCCB. That's why your statement will be the hybrid security between bond and stock is FCCB. Okay. Next question is there. Sponsored ADR has levels. For example, sponsored ADR has levels, namely 1, 2, 3, 4. How many levels sponsored ADR is having? 3 levels are there. How many levels are there? 3 levels. That's why your correct alternative will be 3. C alternative is correct. That's why your statement will be sponsored ADR has levels 3. Then next question is there. Financial lease is dash dash term agreement. Financial lease is a dash dash term agreement. Short term, long term, medium term, life term. What is the correct answer? Long term. Alternative B will be correct. Okay. That's why your complete statement like this. Financial lease is long term agreement. Then next question is there. Project evaluation ensures dash dash under project. First alternative, profitability. Second, soundness of technology. Third, effective utilization of resources. And the last, feasibility of investment decisions. What is the correct alternative? Tell me. Project evaluation ensures dash dash under project. What is the correct alternative? Effective utilization of resources. Alternative C is correct. That's why your statement will be project evaluation ensures effective utilization of resources under project. Okay. Then the practice of leasing had its origin. The practice of leasing had its origin in the civilization. Try to understand. The practice of leasing had its origin in the civilization. What is the correct alternative? Sumerian, Roman, European and Indian. You have to find out the correct alternative. Then next question is also given there. Operating lease is dash dash term agreement. Operating lease is dash dash term of agreement. You have to find out the answer. Life term, short term, long term and medium term. You have to find out the answer. Then next question is there. Project finance is always dash dash loan. Project finance is always dash dash loan. Free, guided, mortgaged, equipment. What is the correct alternative? You have to find out. Okay. Then next question is there. The origin of hire purchase agreement. Try to understand. The origin of hire purchase agreement is in dash dash. A. India. B. United Kingdom. C. USA. D. Canada. What is the correct alternative? The origin of hire purchase agreement is in UK, not India, not a USA, not a Canada. It means that such type of a hire purchase agreement is originated from United Kingdom. That's why alternative B is the correct alternative. Then next question is there. ADRs. ADRs which are more expensive than level 1. ADRs which are more expensive than level 1 are level dash dash. First alternative 3, second 4, third, second 2 and the last 4, 5. What is the correct alternative? Alternative C is the correct alternative. ADRs which are more expensive, which level 1 are level 2. Okay. Then next question. The first foreign currency The first foreign currency board was established in dash dash. The first foreign currency board was established in dash dash. In which year such type of a foreign currency board was established? 1850, 1849, 1860 and 1870. What is the correct answer? Correct answer will be 1849. Okay. In this way, such type of a questions may be there in your exam. You have to make more and more practice for perfectness. Okay. If you have make more practice, then and then you can get 100% marks. Okay, for your upcoming MCQ examination, I would like to give best compliments and best luck for all of my students. Okay, thank you very much.